What's going on, guys? In today's video, I got an interesting video for you guys today. So, I'm in my real estate outfit right now. I'm about to head to my first ever open house. Got a listing. It's in Mount Ephraim. So, my first ever listing and my first ever open house is today and tomorrow. With my first two. Super nervous. Luckily, I have someone help me today, and I have someone help me tomorrow. So, gonna kind of try to take you guys along the day. Well, I guess the weekend. Try to record as much as I can for you guys because I'm not gonna be able to record like while I'm doing the open house. I don't want to have my camera in people's faces, but I'll show you guys my little setup. I'll talk to you guys afterwards, and yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys. I'm going to show you guys in a second here my car. I got all my goodies and got my snacks. We got some popcorn, got people, whatever that is, and then some granola bars. That'll be good, I think. These are kind of my little crappy signs I got, but I'm going to put this kind of, not just on the house, around the house, so people know where to go. And then here's the bag of all the good stuff. So I got my speaker. I'm going to play some music for people so it's not just awkward silence in there. And I got some little baggie that I gave to my manager. He gave me. This is, because it's St. Patty's Day weekend, so that'll be kind of cool. A little theme there. And then we got the pen. I'm going to have my business cards are in there. Like I said, my poster is about me. We got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posters. And then clipboards because there is a sign-in sheet. So we do have a sign-in sheet so that I'm able to give feedback to the seller. And we know what not only people think, but the seller knows what people think. So that'll be good. And then the only thing I'm nervous about is at the end, kind of like a closing statement with people. Kind of getting an appointment or seeing if they like the house. That's the only thing I'm nervous about. But luckily I have someone with me, like I mentioned today. So I'll be able to lean on him, ask him some questions. That'll be good. And but I'll pick it up when we get to the house. Right now we are at the office and blow up some balloons. And I'll pick it up at the house when we are all set up and ready for the open house. Alright, picked it up. It is about 1:30. My partner today let me come out here and eat because I haven't eaten all day, and he's like, "Yo, you hungry?" I'm like, "Yeah, a little bit." So I came out here and ate. So far it's going super well. Not nervous as much anymore. It's just like I was telling him, like it's just talking to people. So I can't overthink it. My signs are not as cool as his. Mine, I got these little yellow signs. They're bigger in person. It says open house, and his, got the big ones. So yeah, so we got some nice stuff out. Unfortunately, this road here, and not gonna be able to see, it's blocked off. This road and that road right there, I'm sure you can see, is blocked off, and then the one down. So it's kind of a pain in the ass for people who want to get here, so they have to like go down a couple blocks. So that's annoying. But so far we've had like 15 people, so it's a lot. I mean, I was in the office earlier setting up, getting balloons and stuff, and the one lady called and said nobody showed up. Like imagine if I sat here stood here. We haven't sat once. Imagine if I stood here for 4 hours, not a single person walked in that door. That'd be horrible. So this house is gonna sell quick, hopefully. Yeah, so I'll try to pick it up a little later on. I wasn't able to show you guys the inside of the house right now because it was a little. We had to get a little fast. We got here a little, not late, but we wanted some more time, so we had to kind of hurry up here. So I'll try to get it at the end. Get done about 4 o'clock, around that time, see if anyone else walks in last minute. So we'll see. I'll pick it up later on for you guys though. Alright, so open house just ended about 10 minutes ago. Let me show you guys a quick little tour of our in the house. When you walk in, you got a nice little setup. It's St. Patty's weekend, so I got cool little stuff. Got my business cards here. That's Sexy Beast. And then you walk in, and boom, this is the living room. So you got some sign-in sheets. We had people sign in, give some feedback. It gives a little bit of information about the house. Got a nice little setup in here. More information about me, get to know me. This is important to have. I got that. Kitchen is in here. Got all my sign-in sheets if I need extra. This was important. A little booklet I made. Shout out to Bill for printing out those. Might need more for tomorrow because we had a lot of people today. We had, I don't know how many groups, I don't know how many people, but a lot. Main bedroom, living room, or bathroom, not living room, and guest room. So it was a great turnout. Thank you to everyone for coming out. Thank you for the feedback we got. Tomorrow is another day, 12 to 4. I will pick it up tomorrow morning on day 2 of the open house. Let's go. Alright, so I actually lied. I actually want to pick it up now that I'm home, because I kind of want to show a little bit of what I have to do now. So we got all of these rating sheets. It's about 16 of them. So we had about 16 groups come, which is really good. I was told. There's more people. Some groups had 4, some groups had 2. Some of it was. There wasn't much of solo people, but there was a couple. You know, it's all different. So what I'm gonna do now is there's a couple people that ask for a certain document, so I'm gonna find their email in here and I'm gonna reach out and send that to them. And then there's one person that reached out and said that they had some buyers that were interested and liked it. So I'm gonna try to reach out to her, talk to her. Maybe we can get something out of that. So not only, I think I mentioned this before, not only am I trying to sell this house, I'm trying to get business for the future. So it's good that I have all this information. I can reach out to people this upcoming week. Kind of do that this week. Try to get some business out of it because I think there's going to be a couple potential people I can get some business out of. So we will see. So I'm going to do that now. Also going to devour some Smash Bros. And now I will pick it up tomorrow morning for day 2 of my open house. Alright, so we got our balloons ready to go. We gotta make sure all these papers are good. That is the seller's disclosure. Some people want to know a little bit more about the condition of the property and stuff like that. So we got to organize all this. It is 10:34, so we got plenty of time. Hoping to leave in about 10-15 minutes and get there around 11:15. So let's do this quick and then gotta get a move on. Our gear, our balloons, name tags ready to go. Got my papers right here for everybody who wants some. And now it is time to go. It's just about time like I said I want to get going, so it's about 10:45. Heading over there now. Excited. And I'll pick it up, I guess, either if I get a break, but I probably won't, or I'll just pick it up at the end. So I'll see you guys probably at the end. Alright, it is the day after the open houses, Monday. So right now we are currently sitting on 4 offers. It'll be 5 tomorrow, and then probably 6 after Tuesday or Wednesday. We're hoping to kind of make our decision by Wednesday, because you don't want to wait too long. So right now, like I said, we have 4. Hopefully by the end of this we'll have 6 total. I did call a couple people today, and a couple of them like backed out. Not backed out, but someone who I thought was going to get an offer didn't, so it was unfortunate. So pretty much kind of slow right now, just waiting on people to get back, waiting for a decision to be made fully. And then today is St. Paddy's Day. I want to show you guys what I did real quick, because in my opinion it's pretty creative. Here's my post for St. Paddy's Day on my Facebook. A little marketing on my end. We got the Minions picture, and then my St. Paddy's Day caption, which I thought was pretty good. It's pretty creative, in my opinion. Shout out GBT though, and I didn't do any work of that. But that's gonna be the end of the video. There's really nothing to record now. I don't want to record like the settle date or anything like that. I don't want to record none of that. So I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna make a video either this week or next week of I want to go in the description of like what I do for work now, and kind of show you guys like a little bit more of what I do and the process of trying to get clients and stuff like that. So that'll be it. I'll make that video at some point, like I said. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Did enjoy my first ever open house. It was cool to get this on video. I'll have it as a memory. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. If you haven't seen my last video, go check that one out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.